Mechanically attached roofing system. The VersaWeld mechanically attached roofing system uses 45, 60, 72, or 80 mil reinforced membrane. Field sheets are either 8, 10, or 12 foot wide, depending upon wind zone, deck type, and building height. Step 1. Begin by laying the approved insulation with no gaps greater than 1/4 inch. Versaco recovery board and polyisocyanurate insulation with thickness 1 1/2 inches or greater utilize a minimum of 5 fasteners and plates per 4 by 8 foot board. When using 4 by 4 foot boards, regardless of the thickness, a fastener and plate are required every 4 square feet. Please refer to the details for specific fastening requirements. Step 2. For the required perimeter securement, position the 4 or 6 foot wide perimeter sheets over the substrate. Fasten the perimeter sheet according to the required number of fasteners for the project. The project requires 12-inch on-center fastening. Versaco's HPVX fasteners plates must be used to fasten the VersaWeld membrane to the deck. Position the next perimeter sheet by overlapping the first perimeter sheet approximately 5 1/2 inches. Fasten the perimeter sheet in the same manner as the first. Utilizing an automatic heat welding machine, weld the 2 sheets together to achieve a minimum 1 1/2 inch heat welded splice. Step 3. In the field of the roof, position the VersaWeld membrane over the substrate, whether using 8, 10, or 12 foot rolls. When encountering penetrations, cut the membrane to fit as tight as possible around the units. Utilizing the pre-printed X markings along one edge of the sheet, install all of the required fasteners. The HPVX fasteners and plates are required for membrane securement. End lap splices are set at a minimum of 2 inches to achieve a minimum 1 1/2 inch weld. No mechanical securement is required at this location. The sheets are typically fastened a maximum of 12 inches on center. This project requires 12-inch on-center fastening for the field sheets. After the sheet has been fastened in place, position the next roll of membrane overlapping the adjoining sheet at least 5 1/2 inches. Step 4. Complete all splices utilizing an automatic heat welding machine. There are 4 details which require additional membrane securement: the pre-molded and split pipe seal, the field fabricated pipe seal, and the VersaWeld sealant pocket. These 4 details require the use of a HPVX fastener plate located 12 inches maximum from the detail. Round penetrations less than 6 inches in diameter only require 4 fasteners and plates. Pipes over 6 inches in diameter will require fastening 12 inches away from the penetration and 12 inches on center. Heat weld a piece of VersaWeld reinforced membrane over the plate to achieve a minimum 1 1/2 inch heat welded splice past the plate in all directions. After the splice area has cooled, probe the splice and make any necessary repairs. To complete the detail, apply a bead of TPO Cut Edge Sealant to the edge of the membrane.